बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। बहरिया कॉलेज DH क्लास मैट्रिक कराची बोर्ड सब्जेक्ट English lesson 4 video 2 by Sir Yasin. Today guys we are going to study about the little things, and this is a wonderful poem, and this poem is written by Julia Carney, and we start our text. In the text we understand what kind of the thoughts he got. Little drops of water, it start with the little drops of water. Then what can happens with the little drops of water, and little grains of sand and make mighty ocean and pleasant land. Little drops of water, obviously the combination of little drops with the mighty oceans. All the start of a little, all the start of a great thing start from the little thing. Little thing it's play a wonderful role for the combination, for the construction of a great and a big thing. Little grains, obviously the sand is made not by itself, but it made by a little grains of sand. When a little grains of sand comes together, they combine together, then such a beautiful pleasant land are made, and we can see. So little by little things are combined, and little deeds of kindness, little words of love make our world an Eden like the heavens above. Obviously a little kindness, when we create a kindness towards somebody, that make pleasure for him and her. If we utter the words of love for enough to earn the heart of a people, and for earning the heart of people, we have to be polite and kindness towards everybody. That this world would be an Eden when we give somebody a respect, when we give somebody a love, when we give somebody a kindness. Obviously in return we will receive the same, and obviously in this way everybody, if spread this kindness and love, and this wonderful, this mortal world will be an Eden. We don't need Eden like above. In this world we need to make this world an Eden, and an Eden like above. Obviously the Eden, the paradise God has made, this is really wonderful. Obviously if you look at this world, how God has created this world so beautiful, and what would be the dignity of the heaven that is made by the God. Obviously we don't compare heavenly things with this world, but this world would be better by living with the deeds of kindness and with the words of love. We expect these things from everybody. So here poet just want us to spread the love, to communicate the people with the kindness, and by using the kind words. And also we have to be loving to each other. If we have to be loving each other, and this world, the sorrow, the problems of this mortal world would be vanished. And for this we need to be so polite, and Julia Carney want us to understand that how little words of love, how little deeds of kindness play their roles, and how they are so powerful. Even they are so powerful, than the powerful weapon just conquer the battle, but powerful words of kindness conquer the whole world with the love. So here we will understand, and what the idea we got by these little things. Little things has its great deal with our life. If and Here we come with the central idea. The remarkable words little things shows that don't consider little thing is worthless. Oh yeah, obviously we should not consider little thing as a worthless. Sometimes it proved to be a dynamic, it proved to be a wonderful, it proved to be crucial when little things comes and keep us towards high. And Okay, and another thing is that it has a great impact at some place. Obviously, sometimes it happens that in our vehicle does not work because of a little thing. When a little thing is not working, even a little instrument of any vehicle, and even a little instrument of any what should I say, working machine is not working, the whole machine is dependent on this little instrument. So that means that little things has an important at some place. Even a little things plays its a crucial role for making big one. Big one starts with the little things, like drop by drop ponds is filled. Obviously, drop by drop of the ponds is filled. I hope so you understand and you got it this. And here I end your lecture. Thank you so much. God bless you all.